5 minutes 53 seconds remaining. Benji Paras!
Size. If you force Abarientos and company to play the half court.
Bounce pass kay Terry Saldana. Redfield lets it go. Wala. Saldana. The veteran. Kay Richie Tixon. Libre from 3-point land. Special niya.
Partner, naiwanan dito si Johnny Abarientos. And that's because Redfield is bringing up the ball. So may parang matchup disadvantage si Johnny. O kaya sayang na hindi pumasok. Ito na ang pinag-uusapan because this is indeed a classic confrontation. Hawkins!
Isa na lang. So, Diyos maray nga banggi. Kanino gabos sa Irigas City. Lastimosa pa rin. Nakita si Chambers sa loob.
And good movement. Ang higpit talaga ng depensa rin ng Shell. Nakita mo, he was able to elude his guard. Si Jojo Lim, pero si Jojo Lastimosa was covered by Benji.
Sean Chambers with a free throw. Got it. Nilabas ngayon kay Kenny Redfield. Down the middle. Kenny Redfield misses.
Nakuha pa niya yung rebound. Alam mo kanina, ito si Benji. Good one-on-one move there by Bong Hawkins attacking the defense of Ken Redfield.
Speaking of Bong Hawkins, Tixon, narito si Benji Paras. Nakita si Jojo Lim, libreng-libre. For that short jumper.
May two-man game sila ron.
Oh.
But Sean Chambers, no double team. Sean Chambers getting away with a back shot.
Benji lamang kay Sean Chambers. Good pass inside. Wala nakakita kay Johnny Escobar.
Oji Narvasa really have to be checked.
Johnny Abarientos na doblehan pero nakawala pa rin. Hawkins against Redfield. Pochwinyo with the offensive rebound. Yes! Alam niyo na kung sino kakampi dahil mapalakpak eh. Benji Paras underneath. Ties it up again. He has 4 points. Inside to Chambers. Yes! Pablo, 3 seconds on the shot clock. Hawkins, nakita niya yung oras, yung shot clock at pasok at tira.
He poses a big scoring threat here. And not to mention Kenny Redfield sa labas.
That's a triple B.
And you have Terry Saldana coming in for Pablo. Okay, sabi ni Naron, nasupalpal mo ako sa loob. Lead at the start of the second quarter.
This is their second taste of the lead. Pero kagad binawi. Pinagpipitagan na si Willie Marshall, yung ating mong head statistician. Sabi po ni Willie, dito po sa first 2 games of this series.
Would have enough tough players on the inside.
But he has certainly blossomed dito sa lineup ng Formula Shell. Reyes, double pick him into him and a great play. Hawkins, nilusutan, almost got the roll. Subalit
His third personal, second team foul. Instead of trying to block upstairs, Jolly is trying to get the ball away from Hawkins. You do not do that. The leaders on the floor, you've got the coach, and Paras gets away with an easy 2 points. Kung hindi kaya ng
championship as a head coach. Of course, nakasama na ni Chot Reyes sa kampyonato sa Pure Food. Samantala, Jeffrey Carriazo.
Pablo gets into scoring position. He likes the jumper, and that's 2 points.
Automatic play.
Well, he gets a break, goes to the free throw line.
Ngayon, Lastimosa laban kay Paras. Carriazo, nasa gitna. Nilabas si Jun Reyes. Jump shot. Innocent ring.
Meanwhile, sa kabila ng
6 to play. Kenny Redfield umatake kagad. Nalusutan ng depensa and he gets 4 to shoot. Abarientos looks up at the shot clock. Bailout shot. Yes!
Right at the buzzer. Court play ng Shell here. They use block.
Ginamit ang lakas. And Kenny Redfield making a living in both game 1 and 2. Uy, gipit na gipit.
Mattered.
Lastimosa, pinalopo.
Oh,
wow!
what a shot. Oh, Kenny Redfield. Paras. Aliok siya pag tinira ni Paras. Pinapasa niya talaga.
Make. Peter Naron, nilusuan si Chambers. Off the glass, yes.
Yan ang sure ball deep. Hindi, dahil yung mga pinapasa niya, hindi nakakashoot.
Uy, palopong tira. Nice. That reminds you of Francis Arnaiz. 4 na minuto. Kenny Redfield leading the charge para sa Formula Shell. A total of 19. And at si Jojo Lim ang unang tumira sa third quarter. Mintis. Uy, ang topic ni Kenny Redfield. Pumasok and he had sa akin ng ating bossman na si Mr. Bobong Velez. Sabi niya, this has been a very well coached and very intelligent game. So
Willing to help. Santos is going to be open.
comes closer. Good move.
Good decision. In other words,
This is his roots sa Bustos, Bulacan. Samantala, Sean Chambers from the outside, one of his rare jump shots. Sean Chambers playing along the corner court laban kay Terry Saldana, running shot.
Sean Chambers.
Benji Paras, tinangga si Bong Hawkins, no foul, goes up, yes. Talo nila. Guess who? Sinong tumalo sa kanila? Formula Shell.
Alam mo, going to this game, they're 3-3 in the 6 games they've played in this conference.
Sean Chambers with ng Commissioner's Cup Finals. Abarientos.
Oh, nice shot. So off the timeout, 2 back to the third quarter.
Redfield, lulusutan. Jojo Lim. Yan ang jump shot niya. Yes.
Spot shooter.
Yes.
That's the kind of player he is.
Tukan ni Romel Santos. Good fake. The Hawk. Yes. Walang angulo. Jojo Lim. Turnaround shot.
Spot shooter has that height advantage shooting over Jojo.
Kaya po na nabanggit ng aking partner. Balik sa 8 ang abante ng super unleaded. Oh, 3-point play para kay Sean Chambers. The Shell, tatlo rin po ang tangan-tangan ng Alaska Milk. 3-20 remaining and this is a terrific fake mula kay Sean Chambers. Violation, yes. Good fake. At tinanganan na lamang. Naksak si Chris Polado. Only 2:24 remaining sa ating third quarter. Abarientos gets the screen. Gets the shot.
Big comeback here for Alaska.
Napako na ang Formula Shell sa 59. Pero finally, napasa.
They should use it, I think.
Redfield, nilabas. Pablo, nasa kanto. Corner jumper.
Yes, bullseye.
Kenny Redfield fouled at the free throw line. Nabanggit
Helping out.
Ariaso sa akal! Butatan! Naron.
He'll shoot that jumper. Oh, Cariaso cannot afford to look at that.
Tiga nga sa kampyonato. Meron Castelo, binigay ang 3. Tumira ng 3.
Yes.
Pasok ang 3.
Second
Sila na naman, bibigay ang 3. Lumabas si Paras. Oh, yung pasa niya naagaw ni Ron. Naron, looking behind. He goes up, uses the left. And Peter Naron playing the game of his life here. Oy, one-handed lead pass. Gives it to Chambers. Goes up, yes, and Nick. Oh, no foul, but a good basket mula kay Sean Chambers.
5 team fouls. Alaska has 4, which is 1 away from getting into the penalty after they give up goal when you get into the 2-minute mark.
Yes. Redfield, kinaliwa. Yes, good move.
They refuse to blink.
All right, Abarientos now. Trying to take charge, and he does. And the lead is down.
Sila ginamit, no? They've got 3. Makakawala si Redfield. He finds Pablo. Wide open!
May hawak, laban kay Jeffrey Cariaso. 4 seconds sa kanila shot clock. Jump shot, 3 points!
Oh, yeah!
Oh, what
yeah.
a shot! Kenny Redfield from 3-point range. Alam po naiiwan, Abarientos. They're looking for a 3-point basket.
That's a 2-point shot.
Wala. Dyan po nagwawakas ang laro ng game number 3. Formula Shell winning this game 3.